cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are talking about palettes part 14. Well, it's been a while since I filmed the last episode from this series, episode 13, because if you're new here, I have 13 more episodes where I'm talking about my palettes, I'm going through my collections, I share some thoughts with you, some opinions. So if you're new here, first of all, welcome, my name is Antigoni. I love colors, I love glitter, I love makeup and palettes as well. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you want to have more content from me. Also, don't forget to check the playlist here where I'm having all the other videos about my palettes. Anyway, back to the relevancy now. Like, it's been 4 months since I filmed the last video. I know that you might have seen the last video like 2 weeks before, but still, for me it's 4 months because I'm pre-filming some things. Why? Why it's been 4 months? Basically, I'm trying not to buy as many palettes because I would like to include at least one tutorial per palette in this channel, and I feel that I have way too much makeup and I don't have time to review everything. So I try to purchase what I'm able to review, what I'm able to use, and kinda reduce my buys. But anyway, after this kinda long intro, if you're ready, let's start! At number 1, we have from Beauty Bay the palette Technidaze, and if you're curious about this makeup, is the tutorial / review that I have done by using this palette. So I think that it's already up and live at my channel, so I'm gonna leave a link up there as a card. Also, I'm gonna mention the video in the description box, so don't forget after you finish this video to go and check how I created this makeup. Anyway, back to the palette now. If you see the color story, it's amazing! It makes me so happy because it contains a very vibrant combination of this amazing pink, this green, and then we have some pastels. We have the pastel yellow, a pastel purple, and a pastel green. And of course we have metallics. I feel that this palette is not like all the other Beauty Bay palettes that I own. I think that the quality is slightly better. I think that they have improved their quality, so to me it's a big thumbs up. I love it. I'm sure that I'm gonna use it a lot in the future. And a bonus here is the packaging. Look at the packaging! It's so beautiful with all those neon green and pink and you know the smiles and everything. I just love it. At number 2, we have from Essence the Ice Baby palette. So while I'm opening this palette, let me tell you, at this video I'm quite proud because I just realized that I have filmed a video tutorial / review for every palette that I'm gonna mention. Like, this has never happened before. I'm so proud about myself. Anyway, so I don't have to tell you that I have already filmed a tutorial about this palette as well. To me, it's an okay palette. I'm not dying. Like, I don't know how exactly does it cost. I think it's around 5 to 10 euros, something like that. For 5 euros, it's an okay palette. I like the color scheme because it combines some navy blues with some grays and silver, and I think that to find gray nowadays at the palette, it's a quite difficult task. So to me, it's a good thing that at least it has the gray. When it comes to the longevity and the blendability of the colors, it's not that good in the end. But if you're planning to use it as a companion palette and not by itself, I think that it's working all in all. Are they better palettes for 5 euros? Definitely yes, so I do not recommend you buying this palette. I would recommend you to make a little bit more of research. At number 3, we have LH Cosmetics and their Daybreak palette. Let me show you the color scheme to you. I mean, it's amazing, right? Look, it combines pastel pink, pastel blue, metallics, duochromes, and 2 cake liners. Basically, these two are kind of hybrid because they can be used as eyeshadows, but if you add some water, they can be liquid liners. So to me, this is amazing. This is so innovative. Basically, I'm using this shadow for my brows because I think that it fits my brows now that I have not bleached them, but bleaching is coming soon because these brows are quite dark for me. Anyway, I feel that you can go from everyday looks to night looks. You can use it for weddings and stuff like that. Occasions that you would like to be a little bit more elegant, but not neutral or boring or just brownish beige. So to me, this is a great palette. I enjoy using it so much. Basically, it is one of the palettes that I have here on my desk, so basically I think I'm using it on everyday basis, and that's great. At number 4, we have the Swedish indie brand Aden Cosmetics and their most recent palette, at least when I'm filming this video, Live Forever. So let me show you the packaging. It's amazing, it's so beautiful. Basically, if you haven't understood already, or if you haven't watched my tutorial, this is inspired by the movie Interview with a Vampire. Here we can see Lestat, here we can see Louis, and here we can see the girl Claudia. It's so beautiful. It's just a beautiful palette. Let me show you the color scheme. I mean, by the time that I saw it online, I knew that I needed this in my life. I knew that this, if the quality was as good as it is, would be one of my favorite palettes, and that was exactly the case. The quality is truly amazing. Both the mattes and the metallics are super blendable, buildable. They are performing amazing on my eye, and in combination with the packaging and the whole goth dark aesthetics, is just a perfect palette for me and my personality. I know now you see me kinda pink, kinda with a very vibrant makeup, but I have my goth moments as well, so I feel that this palette is for those goth moments. Shall we remain to Swedish indie brands for a little bit longer? Because at number 5, I have from Gloss Gods the Look for Rainbow palette. So let me show you the color scheme. I mean, it's magical. Basically, if you didn't know this, all those shadows are effect eyeshadows. Basically, this means that they are doing something. They are duochromes, they are multichromes, they are metallics, but they are not just boring mattes, you know? I have a lot of favorite shadows in this palette, and let me tell you, the price was quite good. I think I paid around, was it 23 euros? Something like that for 12 shadows. This is amazing. I know that there are indie brands that charge around $12 for one effect eyeshadow, so to me having a palette with all those shadows is just a dream, because I don't have to dig into my single collection to find whatever I need. I just have it everything here. It's so convenient, so nice. I really would like to do some swatches for you, but I don't think that now is the time, because I still have to tell you some things, and I don't find it a very good idea to fill the room with glitter and fill my other stuff with glitter. Like, already my boyfriend complains a lot about me glitterizing the whole apartment, so let's stop this until for now and let's move on. Let's move on to the Greek word of the day. So inspired by this palette, I found this shadow which is called Sunshine, and I decided to tell you the word sunshine in Greek. So we say liakada. Say with me, liakada. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word liakada, or tell me the word liakada in your own native language, or tell me which is your favorite palette. Last but not least, at number 6, we have from My Heart Revolution the Harley Quinn palette. Let me tell you, I am impressed by this palette. I used to believe that Revolution has so-so quality, but no, this palette is actually very good. First of all, the color story is beautiful, it's so inspired, at least in my opinion. It contains some very beautiful pinks and blues and purple, and I feel that all those colors together as a combination is amazing, is what I was looking for. Anyway, now when it comes to the quality is actually very good. I think that I didn't like one metallic. I'm not sure if it was this one or this one. It was for sure one of the purples, but anyway, as I was saying at my review video, if 8 out of 9 shadows are good, then to me it's fine, because this palette was not expensive at all. I think I paid around 8 euros for 9 shadows, which is a great price. I mean, the packaging is also very beautiful. You can see even the Harley Quinn stamps on the shadows. It has a mirror, and to me this is very important, because I can do my makeup just by holding my palette and do this, instead of have to look about this mirror all the time, and I'm very good at losing things, so to me it's really convenient. All in all, this palette is a big thumbs up from me, and I don't think that I said anything very negative today. The only so-so palette was Ice Ice Baby from Essence, and all the rest were actually very high quality palettes. And that was it. This was our video for today. Thank you so much for staying with me for one more time, listening about my palettes. I appreciate you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and like this video, and actually see you on Tuesday with a review video. Until then, bye bye!